Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So for a few years now, I've been using this app called Influenster, and basically you review products. So you can review beauty products, food products, like alcohol, home stuff, basically anything you can think of. If they have the product on their app, you can review it. And you can add pictures, and basically you earn badges, and every once in a while they'll send you this thing called a Vox Box, which is basically products from a brand that they think you'd be interested in trying. So for me, I've gotten some beauty boxes. There was one year I got like a little box of school essentials, so like different snacks and like supplies and stuff. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Vox Box right here. It's from NYX Cosmetics, and it's for their new Sweet Cheeks blush. So let's open it and see what's inside. Okay, so the box is really cute. It's a pretty like purpley mauvey color, and on the front it has one of their models and a picture of one of the blushes and a brush you can get, I guess. And on the sides it says NYX Sweet Cheeks. So let's go ahead and open it up. So, I don't know if you can see. So you get a little card with one of their models, and then a picture of the same picture that was on the front of the box. And then on the other side, you have two pictures of models with the different formulas, and then a little blurb. And so it says, Sweet Cheeks Creamy Powder Blush. Sweeten your cheeks with vibrant color with our new Sweet Cheeks Creamy Powder Blush. Available in both matte and glowy finishes. Choose from 12 plus shades that look great on all skin tones. Formulated with finely milled pigments, each silky hue blends with absolute ease. And then it has like little instructions that I have to do for like reviewing it. And also, I don't know if I've said this yet, but this video is not sponsored. I did get this product for free, but I'm not being paid to say any of this. I'm just really excited that I got this and then I get to try it. So next is the blush, and it's bubble wrapped, and then just crinkly paper, and that's it. So a while ago, when they were finding like the right people to send this to, like they send out little surveys and you answer questions, and it had me pick out like 3 or 4 different colors from each of the formulas. I don't remember what colors I chose, so I don't know if this is one I actually picked out or if it's one they just decided to send to me. So this is what the box looks like. It says NYX Professional Cosmetics Sweet Cheeks Matte. So I'm guessing this is the matte. This is obviously the matte formula. It says creamy powder blush, and it's 0.7 ounces or 5 grams. And it's in the color Red Riot. And let's see. This is what the back looks like. It's just a bunch of words. It says powder blush, cheek you out. This creamy, smooth powder gives your cheeks a gorgeous flush of vibrant color with a matte finish, and it's good for 6 months. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty simple. I like that this is clear, so you can see what the color looks like. And it says NYX Professional Makeup, Sweet Cheeks Matte, and on the back it just has some words. So I'm going to open this and just do a little close up the color. So that's what it looks like. I guess it's supposed to be red. The lighting's kind of bad, but that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to do a swatch of it. So I'm guessing this is, from what I understand, this is like a cream to powder. Okay, so just from getting some on my finger, it feels more like a powder than a cream, but okay, that's a really bad swatch, but that's what the color looks like. It's pretty faint. Let me try to build it up a little bit. I don't know if that's any better, but it's a red color. Nothing too exciting about it, I would say. This personally is not a color I go for. I prefer like pink or peachy powder, pink or peachy colored blushes. I think those just look the best on me, but we will try this on and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the blush. So I have two brushes that I like to use for blush. I think I might try one brush on one side and one on the other and just see if it looks any different or if it's the same or what. So this first brush I'm gonna go in with, it's from Target, like their Target brand. The handle's broken, but it still works. So I'm just gonna tap into that once, and my brushes are dirty, but that's a lot of pigment on there, so I'm just gonna tap some of that off. And I already have the rest of my face makeup on. I wanted this video to be like just about the blush, so just gonna go in with a mirror and see what that looks like. Okay, the lighting is really bad in here. So I don't know if you can actually see what the color looks like. From what I can see in my mirror, I don't know if it's coming up on camera or not, but it looks more red. No, it looks more pink than red. It is really pigmented. I feel like I only dipped in there once and I tapped off all the excess, and I feel like that's a lot of blush, more than I usually go for. So just gonna go in on the other side, and this brush I really don't know what brand it is. The handle broke off of it too, so just gonna go in once, tap it off, and then I'm gonna go in on this side. Okay, yeah, this blush is really pigmented. Wow. Okay. I feel like this brush didn't pick up as much product as the first one, but because the color's not like as intense on this side as it is on this side, but that's really pigmented. Wow. Wow. I don't know what to say. Okay, so my final thoughts on the NYX Cosmetics Sweet Cheeks blush. The packaging is kind of cheap. It's it's made out of plastic. I do like that this part is clear, so in your makeup collection you can see what color you are looking for if you have a bunch of them. Um, it's also kind of hard to open. The color and the color in the pan is different from what is on my cheeks. What's on my cheeks looks more pink than red. Um, I don't know if this is a color I'll continue to reach for. Maybe it might be better for during the summer, but I'm not super into this. The formula is nice. It felt smooth on my hand when I swatched it. It went on really easily. It's just a little too pigmented for my liking. I prefer more of a sheer blush that you can build up. On both the Ulta and NYX Cosmetics website, it's listed for $7.50. I would say it's worth it if you wanted to try it. They do have two formulas. They have the matte formula and like glowy shimmery formula. I'd be interested to see how the glowy formula works, but like this is fine. It's just a blush. Blush isn't like one of my favorite products, but it's nice. I'd say the price is worth it if you want to go out and try it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you liked my little unboxing and quick little review on the NYX Cosmetics Sweet Cheeks blush. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.